As far as current state and the things that you want to work on and where you want to get to, those are areas I could definitely help you with. But I think that it's important to just look back a little bit. And it seems like you are in the know that your previous lifestyle and how you were living wasn't serving you, which is why you made the necessary changes now. I think that it goes back probably, over 30 years, because all health challenges are connected to some level of emotional stress. And like the thyroid is, and the reason why I was asking about stress throughout your life, because the thyroid is a stress gland. Like high stress in your life directly impacts your thyroid. I've never had a client over the last 20 years that has not had very high stress and has had thyroid issues. Like no matter what type of issues they are, like it doesn't matter how you slice it, there's a connection there. And high stress, not only does it impact your thyroid, it actually impacts your gut first. So your gut was being impacted by like your high stress lifestyle, your demands. One thing that I try to educate my clients on is understanding your demands in life and understanding the energy requirements of those demands, and then also understanding what you have to meet in order to meet those demands. And most people don't meet those demands in life. Like they don't look at it that way, pouring in what you're putting out. People don't look at it in that way. So what happens is, for a very long time, people are putting out, they're exerting more than they're putting in. And that's just not sustainable. What happens is the body just begins to break down in different types of ways, and it's different for everyone. And what we're looking at for you is just kind of like the sum total of how taxing your life has been, and not having the education at the time to make sure that you were replenishing, counterbalancing, and things like that. So that kind of led us to this moment of where we are.